What is up, mga mahilig sa pabango?
Ooh.
This is your boy, Amoy Piranyan, and
Ode Terence.
welcome back again dito sa Amoy Piranyan! Alright, Boss Terence, we are so honored and to have that privilege as a parang world premiere, and this was sent to us by the one and only Dubai Shop Baliwag kay Ma'am Joanne. Sabi daw ni Ma'am Joanne, padalang ko kayo nito, tong Shiaka Sky, and one of the pinaka-newest release ng Kadlaj sa Middle East. And kanina kasi, sabi ko kay Boss Terence, kailangan na natin mag-video nito at ilabas na yung content para tayo yung parang unang reviewer nito. Although we're going to give you guys our first impression about this one. And yung sinend ko kay Boss Terence, sabi ko, free ka ba? Sabi niya, oo naman, mamaya free ako. Pero sabi ko, nasan ka ngayon? Sabi niya, wait lang, Armin. Napadpad daw siya. Saan ka napadpad kanina, Boss Terence?
Sa SM Podium. And guys, here's a short clip. Guys, I'm here in Garlan. Now I have with me the Herb Turblan. Tama bang pagka-pronounce ko, sir?
Yes.
Okay, tanungin ko si Chief, no? Chief, this is 200 ml, tama?
Yes po.
How much is the 200 ml?
200 ml po, 35,050.
35,000
Yes.
for 200. How about yung 100 ml?
For
Magkano?
100 ml naman po, 24,500.
Okay, bangon nito. Thank you po. Siyempre, commitment namin yon to stay true to our format.
Yes.
As much as possible, we would like to, para may magandang reference tayo, gusto kasi namin na side by side sana siya sa OG.
Yes.
So, actually, na-pressure ako nung kailangan na namin gawin yung content. Pumunta talaga ako ng mall, pumunta ako dun sa booth ng Garlan para maamoy ulit siya. Okay, yun lang guys. Nakita niyo yung presyo. Hindi ko kayang bilhin.
Very heart attack, no?
Pero,
Bakit hindi mo kayang bilhin?
teka muna. Pero dahil mahal namin kayo, dumiskarte ako, hindi man ako nakabili ng brand new bottle, nakasecure ako ng partial bottle. Kala nyo, ha?
Grabe, ha?
Okay.
Lupit, ha?
Ano yung tinatanong mo kanina?
Ang tinatanong ko, since afford mo naman ang LV Imagination, you cannot afford an 100 ml ng Herbes Turblantes na yan.
Okay. 2 key issues.
Okay.
Simple lang. First is, naalala mo, nag-decant na ako niyan last year 10 ml.
Ay, naalala ko, last year yun.
Pinag-spray natin eh.
Inaral din natin yun eh.
Natandaan ko pa yung sinabi ko sa'yo eh. Yes, mabango siya. Yes, it reminds me of Imagination because it's green, it has bergamot,
Yeah?
and medyo, ano siya, parang herbal.
Herbally.
Oo.
Okay.
Pero naalala ko sinabi ko sa'yo, Armin, I find this too mature eh. Armin, parang feeling ko parang yung mata ng tita. Yung ganun yung, parang yung mayaman mong tita, ganun yung amoy.
Okay.
Natandaan mo yun?
I do get the connection from last year.
Baka mag-comment kayo. Tito ka na eh, bagay sa'yo yan. Guys, syempre, ako minsan, I want to wear something more vibrant. Na, syempre, na parang medyo youthful vibes. Kasi that's what I strive to be.
Yes.
Ngayon, ang isa ko pang issue is, upfront, hindi siya ganun kalong lasting.
Yeah.
Nung time na naalala mo nag-spray tayo, sa skin
Sadly.
yung totoo, wala pang isang oras.
Wala na. Fade away na.
Skin scent na lang. You have to dig deep, di ba?
Hindi na siya nagpo-project. Walang alingasaw. It's just a very, very close encounter situation lang yung character ng binibigay nitong Guerlain na to. In fairness naman, citruses are meant to be like that. But sa tingin ko, hindi sila naglagay ng mga molecular ingredients dito to make the scent last more than 6 or more than 5 or more than 7 to 8 hours.
But don't get us wrong,
Yeah.
Mabango siya.
Yeah.
So, here is Armin. Armin, brief description. Ano ba ang amoy ng
Okay.
Herb Turblan?
Wow! French yarn? Bonjour, no?
Kinorek kasi ako sa tindahan. Sir, hindi po Herbes Turblantes. Herb Turblan.
Tublong.
Parang Turblan.
Anyways, okay. Quick description lang sa itong pabango na to ng Herb Turblan.
Spray tayo?
Spray tayo, sige. Okay.
Okay.
Dito ba, Boss Terence?
500 pesos.
1K pesos! Oh my God!
Sakit.
Okay. Anyways, initial blast, it's a blast of very soft, leafy, juicy bergamot yung maaamoy mo. It's that kind of parang ginrind mo yung bergamot, yung parang skin lang ng bergamot, you need to crush it, and may pagka-mint aspects din siya. Hindi yung tipong very...
Hindi mentol
Oo. It's just very... The green aspects of the mint lang. Very refreshing in a way na may pagka-lemony din siyang aspects. Parang, hindi naman lemon max candy, but in a very expensive lemon candied way. Yung lemony na... Yung nasa mga... mabibili mo lang sa Rustans or sa mga duty freeze, yung candy na nasa loob ng can. Tapos pag binuksan mo, medyo may powdery aspects yung candy. Ganun yung na-visualize kong lemon candy niya. And also, there is the sweetness of orange blossoms na nagbibigay ng tamis sa kanya, sa itong composition na to. And there is this very clean, musky, soapy, dry down sa background niya, Boss Terence.
Okay. Generally speaking, it smells so expensive. It's so well blended.
Yeah.
Actually, pagka-spray, nakaka-impress talaga.
Sobrang.
But then, yun nga yung issues ko, so I did not pull the trigger.
I see.
Kaya ngayon, actually, for those who don't know, I think 2021 pa ni-release to.
Matagal na nang release
So,
yan. Parang re-release lang din again at dito pa lang siya sumisikat at pinapasikat ng ibang content creator sa ibang bansa.
So,
kasi hindi nabibigyan ng spotlight
I was
siguro.
quite surprised na parang ngayon lang siya parang talagang
Parang
inattempt na kinopya, di ba?
Oo.
Okay. So today,
Oo.
spray na natin.
Game! I'm so
Okay,
excited kung ano ba difference nila. Siguro dito, Boss Terence. Grabe. Ay, ang ganda na sprayer niya, ha? Ooh. Initial blast, it's quiet, powdery. Powdery na bergamot siya.
Mas forward ang citruses niya.
Oo, hindi katulad nito, medyo
Very forward yung greens.
very greens. Ito, less greener.
Parang sa background yung green.
Yes.
Pero mas citrus forward.
Yes. But in a citrus forward way na nasasapawan siya ng powdery aspects ng, I think that's the orange blossom na nagpe-play dito. Yun yung unang bugay. And also,
Mas matamis siya.
mas sweeter. I think that's because of the orange blossom then again. May naaamoy akong konting very herbal, very green aspects. I don't know what herbal is that. Ito kasi may herbal din to, but mas well-blended yung ginawa nila dito. Ito, nasa background pa rin yung herbal pero nag-i-interchangeable yung thyme and rosemary. Do you get that?
Buti sinabi mo yan because I'm just about to tell you that I find both of these very aromatic.
Very parang vegetal in a way. Parang,
But yung thyme and rosemary, parang shaving foam na ang dating
yes,
sa akin.
yes, correct! Parang shaving foam na, alam niyo yung parang pag nagsishave kayo, kasi ako, Boss Terence, nagsishave ako araw-araw ng ulo ko at yung balbas ko, tinitrim ko yan. Yung tipong pag nag-apply ka ng shaving foam, yung literal na winash out mo na at yung natitira na lang yung aromatic, yung parang residue ng shaving foam sa balat mo. Yun yung makukuha yung aspects dito sa pabango ng Kadlaj Shiaka Sky. And also may pagka-therapeutic siya, parang giving me that spa vibes, massage vibes.
And this is slightly creamier.
Yes, than this one.
Kinda thicker, but this is airier.
Yes. May pagka-airier aspects din siya, but if try to picture it, if this is very manipis na clouds, ulap, ito medyo makapal na ulap. Yeah. Nandiyon din yung pagka-soapiness niya, no? Parang may pagka-shower
Yes.
gel vibes din.
Neroli. No?
Neroli. Very fresh out of the shower.
So to sum it up,
Yeah.
basically,
Ganda,
this is
ah.
citrusy, this is green, this is aromatic, and
And fougere.
fougere.
Barbershop
and musky.
style.
Okay? Opinion ko if I find this too mature,
Okay.
I think this will appeal to a broader audience.
Okay.
mas bata,
Okay.
middle age, or kahit mature,
Or kahit sa
Parang-
tingin ko, high school, kayang dalhin to suotin.
mas flexy siya.
Oo.
Although, honestly speaking, there is a quality difference.
Yes. Mas
But-
quality to compared sa dito.
But, again,
For the price,
ang hirap i-justify kasi hindi talaga tumatagal sa amin to eh.
I wouldn't pull the trigger.
Mm-mm. So,
Unless you have a lot of savings, marami kang pera, gusto mo lang pang flex sa mga kaibigan mo or sa mga audiences or sa cabinet mo just to show it that you have a Guerlain. For me, it's not worth it. For the price ha. Siguro less than 10K, I would pull the trigger. But for the 2 to 3 hours, hindi ako
Mahirap
bibili
eh,
ng,
mahirap.
hindi ako bibili ng ganong klaseng pabango na. Yes, I would enjoy the scent profile, pero hello, we are in a world that we need a perfume that will last you more than 5 or 6 hours.
Kaya nagtataka pa kayo kung bakit yung LV Imagination non-stop ang paglabas ng mga dupes.
Yun nga eh.
This is basically the same thing eh. Unang-una, maganda naman talaga scent profile nito.
Yeah.
Pero, syempre, yun nga, it comes with the price and the prestige that comes along with the brand.
May pangalan na
So,
kasi.
if gusto nyo lang talaga ma-scratch yung itch,
Oo.
we're not saying na low quality to. In
Yes.
fact, sa hangin,
You can't
you
even...
can, hindi, ano na talaga, herb turblan ang suit mo. Makakaloko ka na.
Naka-Guerlain ka ba?
Eh kung iba lang talaga pag side by side talagang
Yeah.
maano mo. Pero sa hangin, I kid you not, it's the same. Actually, ang napansin ko lang, parang ito kasi, parang ito yung Shaka Sky, parang ang amoy niya is parang yung dry down na nito.
Yes. Parang mid to dry down, nakuha niya na yung aspects nitong pabango
At
na
saka
to.
parang feeling ko dito is parang inoverspray mo ito.
Oo.
Kasi mas makapal siya eh.
Parang for me, ang datingan nito, Boss Terence, medyo linear yung datingan niya sa akin. Ito, may pagka-transition eh. From start, mid, hanggang dry down. Pero ito, diretso, kung ano yung gusto niyang ipahiwatig sa inyo at i-project niya na kung ano yung dinudup niya talaga, halata naman na herb turblan.
Okay. Guys, hindi pa namin masasabi kung how long will this last, okay?
The performance,
Because this is a first impressions
Yes.
video. So abangan nyo na lang sa comments kung tignan namin kung gaano siya katagal.
Yes, and how it will perform during the high heat, air-conditioned environment, and etc.
Pero sabihin na natin na I'm managing my expectations since it's a freshie.
Yeah.
Pero for me, medyo promising rin kasi it's sweeter and it has parang sandalwood sa base niya.
Sa tingin,
I'm
may
expecting
sweeter eh.
na, feeling ko mas mahaba ang buhay nito
Compared,
dito.
of course, matic yun.
But
Kasi,
kung wari, sabihin na natin maiksi lang rin.
Oo.
Guys, magkano lang to? Spray all you want.
yeah, hindi mo na kailangan. Maski mag-overspray ka nito, it won't give that parang head-inducing vibes. And by the way, due to the maturation processing nitong pabango na to, hindi pa natin din alam, baka mas tumagal pa yung
We'll
yung
see.
life niya when it comes to projection longevity search and etc.
Total, world premiere pa lang naman eh. Di ba?
Oo. And for the first impression, Boss Terence, how would you give it as a dupe itong sa Herb Turblant, itong si
Again,
Shaka Sky?
because this is the first dupe na naamoy namin.
Yes.
Usually, for the first na naglalabas, I personally give it a high score.
Okay.
So right now, as a dupe, I will give it a 9.
9. For me, I would give it mga 9.5 out of 10. I really like how it plays kasi this is my type of a genre. It's a fougere, barbershoppy, aromatic, and also leaning into a very versatile and mass-pleasing category. Etong Shaka Sky na to. So, nothing else to say, Boss Terence? Please let us know. Have you tried etong pabango na to?
Sige nga, pronounce mo nga.
Herb Turblant? Ano nagiging fresh na tayo?
Pero nasa Pilipinas tayo, kay Herbes Troblantes.
Anyways, hopefully nagustuhan nyo tong video namin and our first impression about sa newest release ng Kadlaj, which is Shaka Sky. And please let us know what's your thoughts about it. And have you tried etong Guerlain Herb Turblant? Till next time, like, comment, share. Love you all. Mwah.